Hello friends, welcome to my channel How It Works. Today I am going to unbox a smartwatch which is from Fire Boltt WS001. I purchased this in Amazon for 3000 rupees. Now it is much lesser, you can get it around 2600 or 2500 even. Let's unbox this and see how it looks like. While the unbox is going on, let me explain you the important features of this watch. It comes with a 1.4-inch TFT display and has a 170 mAh battery which can last up to 8 days, and it has a water resistant level of IPX7. This is how the watch looks like. It comes with a pre-applied screen protector, which is a good thing. This is a grey color variant. Total 3 color variants are available. And the highlights of this watch are there are sensors like blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, and heartbeat monitor. In fact, below 3000 rupees, this is the only watch which is providing a blood oxygen level monitor. And during Corona days, I think this is a very important feature to have. And also, along with those monitors, you can track your outdoor activities. There are 13 plus outdoor activities you can track using the smartwatch. This smartwatch can be connected to your Android phone or iOS based phone. This is the charger, which is a magnet based, and you can connect and charge to only through a USB port. This is how it will attach, and you can connect the other end to the USB port. And once fully charged, it can last up to 8 days. I have been using this for 1 month, and I could see it is easily coming for 8 days. Hello friends, welcome back. Now let's see how we can configure your Android application to sync with the watch and do some testing on various features of this watch. So let's go to the Play Store, install the Fit application, open it. Here it will ask you some important details of your age and weight, height, etc. Please provide the accurate details so that they will be used to generate some reports based on your health vital parameters. So give all permissions to access your applications, photos, media, etc. Now I'm going to show you how to configure your notifications to receive it on your watch. So this is the list of applications whose notifications can be sent to your watch. So like WhatsApp, Facebook, phone, etc. So I'm choosing WhatsApp to receive WhatsApp messages on my watch, and the phone to receive my incoming calls notifications on the watch. Remember, we cannot take the calls using this watch. We can just get the notifications from your mobile when you are away from the mobile. So before actually getting the notifications, we need to add your watch to the device so that the application will be connected to the watch and start sending notifications. So for that, first enable the Bluetooth in your mobile, and you will see the BSW001 in the list of Bluetooth networks. You choose it, or you can do it from the application itself by going to the Add Device section. Let's see how we can do it from the application now. Here you will see Add Device. So Yeah, here you can see BSW001 selected. Now it is already synced with the watch. Let's see first how to change the skin of the watch. There are thousands of options that are available. You just need to download in your mobile app and push it to your watch so that the display screen will change, the alignment will change. There are many designs. So let me show you one design. I will download it and apply it to my watch. Let's select this one, download it. It might take few minutes to download and push it to the watch. It is done and already you can see it on watch screen. Now let's go back. I have already shown you how to set the notifications. Now there is one more option called shutter. The shutter is an option to take the pictures from your watch. Uh, that means you can take only the snaps. We cannot do anything else from the watch. But if you are away, you can just give a command to take a snap. How this is happening now. It's taken. Let's check on some health parameters. Before that, I need to wear the watch onto my hand so that the sensors can measure the vital parameters. Let's start with the heartbeat now. And these all measurements you can do even directly from the watch, and you can do it from the application as well. I will show you how to do it from the watch later. Let's see from the application now. So I'm measuring the heartbeat. So currently it is 89. This is after taking a brisk walk. And I do tested it when I was completely in rest. It was showing around 72, which is the right measurement. And I have been testing this for the last 1 month in various conditions, and I found that these measurements are somewhat accurate. So we can rely on this heartbeat monitor. And the advantage is while you measure these things while you are in sync with the application, then it can store the history and it can generate the reports how the vital parameters are changing over a period of time. Now let's measure the blood pressure. With respect to blood pressure, I'm not sure whether it's completely giving an accurate value or not, because if I take 2-3 iterations in quick succession, then I'm seeing some few points variations. Now let's monitor the blood oxygen level. It is showing 96 to 98. I have tested only with healthy individuals. For healthy individuals, 96 to 98 is the valid range. I haven't checked with any COVID patient. And apart from this, you can monitor your sleep, etc. And this is how you can do it from the watch itself. Go to the settings menu and there you will see health. In the health you will see spo2, heart monitor and blood pressure monitor. So you can start the monitoring from there itself. This is the push notifications about the weather report from the application. That's all, friends. If you like the video, please share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much.